The please wait message that won't disappear is one of the most frustrating issues Verizon customers face. This freeze can affect various types of set-top boxes and has several common causes. This issue commonly affects Motorola and Aris DVR boxes like the VMS 1100 and VMS 4100 series, Cisco CHS series boxes, and even newer Verizon Stream TV devices. The primary causes behind this freeze include firmware corruption from incomplete updates, hard drive failures in older DVR units, overheating due to dust buildup, signal issues from poor connections, and memory overflow from excessive recordings. The first and most effective solution is a power cycle reset. Start by unplugging the power cord for at least 30 seconds. While it's unplugged, hold the power button for 10 seconds to discharge any remaining power. If the power cycle doesn't work, try resetting the coaxial connection. Disconnect the coaxial cable for 60 seconds. Check for any loose connections or corrosion, then reconnect it firmly and restart the box. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve the please wait freeze in most cases. The power cycle reset has a 67% success rate, making it your best first option when facing this issue.